So yeah, when I'm lazy, yeah, and I don't want to maybe go in to touch the birds and to know if they are fine or if they are okay. So what I do is very simple to check if they are healthy from afar. So there is a kind of a reaction that they do with their head whenever I do that. It gives me this assurance that okay, the birds over there, they are just resting, they are not sick. So this is what I do particularly. So, hope you learned something today. I know it's funny, but yeah, hope you learned something today.